In this video, we will explain how to fix the issue when the inverter triggers a grid disconnection alarm. Check if the inverter connector is correctly connected to the AC connector, and if there are any loose or disconnected connectors or improperly installation. If such issues are found, refer to the instructions in the manual to correctly install the AC connector. If the connectors are properly connected, use an AC clip to detach the connector and check the voltage of the AC bus connector with a multimeter. If the voltage is abnormal, it might be a wiring issue and needs to be checked step by step from the source to the end. If the connectors are properly installed and the voltage is normal, check the connection between the bus AC connector and the inverter AC connector for the following issues. Check if there are any obstructions inside the connector, such as mud or small stones. If so, clean the connector. Check if the pins of the inverter AC connector are warped or deformed. Use tools like a screwdriver to straighten the pins. If there are no issues with the connectors, swap the inverter with another to confirm whether the AC component of the inverter is damaged.